halls, I see so many different people from all parts of the world, all parts of life. It's unbelievably diverse.
It's very much a community working together to enhance the student experience, not just academically, but just in terms of well-being as well.
It was the only school that proposed me to work full-time at my job, to keep my position, but also to come as a part-time and also as a top-up. So for me, it was the best choice.
Working in partnership with our students, which is one of our strengths, I think, speaks to our commitment to the university's mission, which is to transform lives through the power of education.
I think one of the strongest things for my school is my staff. They care not only about the academic side of our students' lives, but also on the personal side of students' lives.
We also have academic mentors. So an academic mentor is someone that can provide sort of more support around the subject area.
Since we are not too many people, it's good because we have like a close relationship to our teacher, so we can have like a real feedback of our work.
One of the strengths over the years that I've seen from students' responses to this university is how approachable and supportive the academic staff are.
We spend a lot of time making sure that our students are supported and that they feel there is always someone that they can turn to. I think the attention that students get from our academics cannot be bettered.
It's a genuine care. You become part of a family, and when you leave us, you remain part of a family.
It's all about working together to enhance the opportunities of our students and of our graduates. Every day we are thinking of what can we do to make it even better than it already is.
Our tutors are really passionate about seeing our students succeed.
We have lots of practitioner academics. The tutors are enabling the kind of application of theory to practice, and when you leave London Met, you leave with a greater wealth of employability skills, for example.
Increasingly, some of our employers are coming back to us and saying, your students come ready with skills that they're not finding they get from other universities.
I definitely think that London Met is preparing me for the life after university, and as I said, that's one of the reasons why I chose to be here.
If you want an exciting, diverse, student-friendly, supportive and engaging environment, London Met should be top of your list.
London Met is a colourful community, and it's just a very vibrant place for people to come and learn.
I think it's the perfect place to be. You're challenged but also supported, and I think it's a really beautiful journey to be in.
Just follow your guts. It's really something that you will be happy and you will never regret.